Lord, one of our public sector enterprises, Lord, called Mangalore Refineries and Petrochemicals, wanted expansion of their refinery. So it acquired about 800 acres of land. And to accommodate the displaced people under the 2013 Act, we wanted acquisition of another 173 acres of land. And through the KEDB, the state organization called Industrial Areas Development Board, that has been acquired. And we even deposited the amount. And now, my lord, the board says that land is not suitable for rehabilitation. And they say you have to spend another 100 plus crores. So therefore, my lord, we had challenged the very acquisition proceedings and sought for a direction to give an alternative land. Learned single judge, my lord, has refused to interfere. My lord, therefore, we have filed an appeal. Would your lordship kindly have it next week, my lord, Wednesday or Thursday? I'm grateful.
With your lordship's kind permission, my lords, there's one matter where the learned single judge of this honorable court has quashed two notifications, my lords, where the state government had decided to conduct board set examinations for 5th, 8th, 9th, and 11th. What has happened now is, my lords, the exams are already set. The students are prepared. Monday, the exams for 3 of the classes are to start, 5th, 8th, and 9th. 11th exams are already held. They're already concluded also, my lords. No, but the urgency is this. If I could request your lordships to take it up at the earliest today, my lords, because Monday the exams are scheduled. Timetable was published almost a month ago. The students are prepared.
Examination starts on Monday.
Monday, my lords, Monday. Subject to your lordship's convenience.
My lord, I appear for the caveat, or my lord, we have filed a caveat in this matter.
So the bench is not available, but I'll constitute the bench.
Grateful, Madhav. In fact, I'll hand over the FR number.
At the earliest, you can inquire from registrar.
Grateful. I'm extremely grateful, grateful. But I'll hand over the
My
FR
lord,
number to the court officer.
You can move, possibly today if possible.
Please,
When the exam, what the timing of exam?
The timing, I think it'll be in the morning of Monday, Manoj. So, and given the fact that tomorrow, day after, and tomorrow is Shivratri holiday, day after is second Saturday, and then Sunday. That's the only reason. Otherwise, I would request.
Today it is placed before the approved bench.
Grateful, obliged, grateful.
My lord, we are on caveat in this matter. The state may be directed to serve a copy on us, my lord.
We're obliged to serve them a copy, Manoj.
Yes, yes.
Lord, one writ petition, one writ appeal they have filed. We had, Lord, pertaining to tender. We had the benefit of an interim order. Yesterday afternoon, Lord, judgment was pronounced against us. Lord, it has been dismissed. It is covered by 2 judgments. Whether I can request your lordship's habit at 2:30, I don't know. Lord, I'm in your lordship's hands.
Monday.
Please, Lord.
Bench is not available.
Lord, please.
Yes.
Kindly one appeal, my lord, arbitration appeal, commercial suit decree, Lord, execution is already filed against the BBM.
It will listed within 10 days.
So next week, my lord, somewhere, Monday, my lord.
Not Monday. No, Monday not possible.
No, Monday, my lord. Attachment is issued against the principal general manager, BSc, my lord. Attachment order against it.
Next week.
Your lordship.
Next Wednesday.
Yes,
Much obliged. Matter, my lord, my mining operation is shut down by virtue of an order passed by the Secretary of Mines Geology. That the mining operation shall be resumed only if I made certain payment, my lord. And I gave a representation stating that I will make the payments in step-by-step matter. The representation was not considered. Hence, I filed a writ petition, my lord. The matter pertains to 2022. Representation also pertains to 2022.
You remove the office of this.
Everything is done, man.
Matter they is in for
Within 10 days.
Your lordship, this is a PIL filed for specific rights of the Kodavas. This is actually a party in person, Dr. Subramaniam Swamy, who's filed this. The last time the matter came up in January, and it was posted without a specific date for the first week of March. Just moving a memo for posting, requesting that the matter be posted for the 21st of March, if possible.
After 15 days, any date.
If your lordship kindly, this is a matter commercial field. Actually, execution of a petition has been moved. In the circumstances, there is no objection. May post it tomorrow or Monday.
Tomorrow holiday, madam.
Posted on 14th of this.
14th of
execution.
Execution is the date of execution. Next date.
14th.
14th. Keep it on 14th. But it belongs to this bench.
Commercial appeal.
Commercial.
What is the matter, madam? Civil contempt, what is the urgency? Contempt, new matter.
So within 10 days, sir, within 10 days. Yes.
Your Lordship, this is
10
also
days.
the contempt petition. The date was given on 2nd of February.
22, go to the quartal number 2, madam. 22 ನಮಗೆ roast ಇಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ.
Sorry, you know, contempt petition. This is also contempt petition. The date was given on 2nd of February. But the opposite counsel took the date. There was emergency in the matter. It was supposed to be listed after 1 week, but then still, Your Lordship, the matter has not been listed. Your Lordship, I kindly.
Date, all files are given date. Take and give the one date. Adjust. the vote.
My lord, this is a contempt petition. The single judge, the honorable single judge had passed an order not to put up further construction. If they have to put further construction, they had to approach the BBMP and take permission. But the fifth accused has not taken the permission, but has continued putting up construction, my lord. That's why we filed a contempt petition.
Remove the office objection.
My lord, yes, ma'am. It's a-
Remove first, remove
it's
the
a-
office. Then give the memo. Once you remove, it will be listed.
My lord, without the memo, they don't do the scrutiny,
No,
my
no,
lord.
they'll,
Madam, memo nalle, they will ask them to cure the defect.
Much obliged, my lord.
Pass an order on 5th. Portion is not. Order loaded.
we'll see. Give the number.
Note ಮಾಡಿ.
Your Lordship's kind.
No order is pending.
Delay condone ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ interim order we have granted in that. If it is not there-
Labor matters.
Hello, this is the civil contempt matter. This learned single judge had passed an order in September 2023, directing the BBMP Mallots under the Street Vendors Act to provide an alternate place, Mallots, to the complainant. Mallots, it's been 5 months, Mallots, there's no alternate place that's been created. And Mallots, the complainant is facing threats of Mallots eviction of a shop. He runs a sugarcane juice shop. So Mallots, it may be listed, Mallots, anytime next week, Mallots.
2 weeks.
My lord, your lordship kindly, if I am disturbing the longest, because the matter is posted before the commercial court for execution on 14th.
So we have kept on 14,
13th, if your lordship may kindly have it, 13th.
14. Yes, madam.
My lord,
My lord, this is writ appeal. Honorable single judge has special court proceedings initiated by competent authority under PPID Act. So urgency is 2,800 investors are waiting for their refund.
What matter, madam?
Uh,
What is the subject matter?
Honorable single judge has special court proceedings initiated by competent authority under KPID Act.
APID Act. What is the urgency?
2,800 investors are waiting for their refund, my lord.
Oh, no urgency, it will come in the regular course.
It
Let
was
come.
supposed to list,
You get the scrutiny, it will, once the office objection is removed, it will come before us on
matter,
5th day.
old matter.
5th day, you do the cure the defect first.
Office objections are not there, my lord.
Then it will come on 5th day. No need to move the memo.
my lord, this is a civil contempt petition, my lord, against the writ petition, against the writ petition proceedings, my lord. Service.
What is the urgency? Please tell the urgency,
Lord,
sir.
there was a 3 months direction, my lord, by this honorable court to consider the service of the petitioner within 3 months, but this has not been considered.
No issue, you wait for some time.
Wait
Yes.
for,
My lord, I've complied with the office objection, my lord, this is a civil.
it will listed then, why? you do
Then
it?
it will come on 5th day, no need to memo.
23 matter.
Don't waste your paper, keep it, you can use it for some other things. Yes, ma'am.
Execution, commercial court is there, it's coming up on the 12th.
Let it come, what is the urgency? Let them issue, no issue, it will not be executed in a day. Threat you deposit there.
But the first order, which has been confirmed under secretary, public sector undertaking in the lordship,
When the order was passed,
passing off.
then why, now you are moving the memo, no urgency, you come regular. For August order, you have urgency now. Yes, madam, next. Don't take it.
Apparent is 85 years old, health issues.
Told you, seniors.
My lord, there is a 10 years of service, she has been in 10 years of service, my lord. service has not been considered till that. So I have felt.
Demolition emergency ಇದ್ರೆ ಬನ್ರಪ್ಪ ಸುಮ್ನೆ don't.
It is a service matter, my lord.
ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ಪುನಃ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Lords, serial number 34, my lords, I appear for the respondent. So my name is not shown. Senior counsel who appeared for me on the last date's name is shown. Statement of objections, I've already served a copy on my friend. Oversight, I forgot to file it, my lords.
Name to be shown.
My name to be, I'll give the name to,
Right, Mr. Manu Prabhakar is there.
my lords, I'm for the respondent, my lords. I'm for the respondent.
You are for R to Dan Chinnappa's name is instead of your
It's mine. My lords.
serial 34 ನೋಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
My lords, I've already served them the objections. I'll file it today itself.
Number 29 and 30.
Date ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಪೈರು.
Yes.
Interim prayer is there. Operating.
We filed, we said we'll file our objections and then my lords, that date was
Consider-
When it is considered,
Take
the
down.
matter will consider.
Next week. You please adjust the board.
15.
34.
Yes. 18.
29 and
34.
I appear for the respondent.
34.
I have already informed you.
Serial number
29 and 30, they both the matters are connected.
21 and 22.
The 29 and 30.
29 and 30, that's Malad College of Engineering. Okay.
At the benefit of interim order till today.
29, 30, interim order extended, please give the date, madam.
Serial number 52.
April ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಅದು ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ.
Mention.
My lord, serial number 19, my lords, we are for the appellants. This appeal is challenging the order quashing our allotment, my lords. We again approached the KIADB and they have given a reconsideration to our allotment request. So some discussions are going, my lord. In the light of the same, the matter may be adjourned for a period of 4 weeks, my lord. We have
19, 4 weeks.
Serial number 52, my lord, I'm the appellant, my lord. 52, my lord, I'm the appellant representing Mr. A. Sampath. But there's inconvenience, my lord, 2 weeks it could be urgent, my lord, 52.
52, 2 weeks.
Please, Mr. Kobler.
And in this matter, direction is to consider their request for body and duress.
Body and duress ತಗೊಂಡು allotment of survey number.
Allotment of survey. We have issued an endorsement, 2 endorsement. Because there is no records, title records are not there. RTC is not there, but only in the village map, to the extent of 16 acres, the mutt name is shown. There is no contempt as such, my lord. We have written a letter to the government whether to, they have not even filed an application for grant of this land also.
Can you file your counter, sir? You have filed.
We have filed 2 counters.
Then we.
This may be dropped, my lord, with the
Serial number connected. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿ, will you take up for hearing? Date ಕೊಡಿ. Yes, madam.
we permitted to make some submission.
ಹೇಳಿ.
Appears for the complainant. And I have filed counter for the affidavit.
We'll take up at a later date,
We will take up for hearing.
18th.
We will hear it, 18.
For the complainant, may be permitted to withdraw the petition.
Appearing for respondent, Your Honor.
Settled.
The matter has been settled before the family court.
Settled.
Yes, my lord. In MC 3494/22
Both
on
sides.
23rd
Both
January.
sides. Both sides are there?
I'm appearing for respondent, Your Honor.
Okay, both sides. Current counsel for the complainant filed the memo for withdrawal. Memo reads as follows. In view of the memo placed on record, complaint is dismissed as settled. Please.
Much obliged.
For the complaint in this matter, madam. That will ascertain the officer who has been transferred and.
That's against A3, sir. A3 our incumbent officer ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡಿ check
Please, madam.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 2 weeks.
Much of them.
If to appear for the complaint, I have been served with a copy of statement in yesterday.
What is
I have to file a rejoinder, my lord, that's some template called. Kindly grant me weeks time for filing rejoinder.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Great.
Why I have prepared the agreement and I have shared it. I think there was some confusion. It may be taken up on Monday. I think almost all the terms are already
You
agreed.
would be able to iron out, his lordship was grateful enough to speak to both the parties and initiate a settlement.
Wednesday?
Wednesday.
Take up on Wednesday.
Wednesday, my lords?
Yes.
All right,
Not
because I
convenient.
had some difficulty from Wednesday to Friday.
Tuesday?
Tuesday.
is fine.
Tuesday, I'm okay. Great.
My lord, I represent,
For the
my lord. This is the
respondents
matter where
accused.
on the last date,
Respondent accused 1 and 2 are present before this court. Our
Now,
counter
the
is.
Refilling is still going on, sir?
No, it has stopped way long back itself.
2,300 acres.
Directed. The translation is pending, my lord. There is an order passed in accordance with section 64A of the Karnataka Forest Act. And possession was taken on.
we are only on the point of violation of the court order, disobedience.
Yes.
Now, all those merit in the other forum, let him argue. Now,
You file it, how many days you
I'll,
require?
A week's time may be granted, my lord.
in spite of order,
Translations are pending.
in spite of order, it shows the height of arrogance of these officers.
Accused number 1 and 2, Mr. DCF, you are DCF?
DCF is present and DRFO is present, my lord.
A1 and A2 are present. Learned AG 6, 1 week time. As the translation is under process. Hence 1 week time. Next week.
Grateful.
19. And their presence will be secured because the blatant violation, I can establish it. Their presence will be secured,
We
my
will
lord.
deal with that, the lordship.
Please, my
will
lord.
brief the
Please.
lordship. We'll Take up.
19 March. December 7. Mr. Nagaraj ji.
Permitted to appear for the accused, madam.
Sir, inaction by A1 and A2.
A2, I'll appear for BBMP.
The BL Sanjeev undertakes to appear for the accused number 1 and 2. Take time to file the
Objection.
counter. 2 weeks. Serial 8.
December 8.
Secretary came.
Mr. Somsekhar.
For the complaint. In this matter, we have filed complaints affidavit. Lord, stating that the direction is to consider the request of the petitioner for body and duress. And we have issued an endorsement, Lord, as per our next year R1.
The Lordship, kindly see the directions, paragraph number 8, my lord. Operative portions. They have issued an endorsement saying that, my lord, there is no records in the, stood in the
Yes,
name of.
body is not possible because the column 3 and 9 is not tallying with.
And they have to carry out, my lord, 3 and 9, my lord, and they have not fixed the definite.
You
time.
cannot direct, we cannot direct them to rectify all those things, do body and everything. You do all those things and then you come for body.
Lord, they only done it, my lord, 3 and 9, the complaint is nothing to do with
In
their-
contempt, we cannot direct them to correct all those things. You follow revenue rules.
No,
They
not
have-
only,
they
not
have
only
fixed
that.
Lord, they have fixed certain times, my lord, to complete their progress.
Column number 3 and 9, there is RTC column, their name is not. Revenue can't do it.
Not my lord, RTC in my
They
name.
have to get the things.
Lord, RTC in my name is shown, my lord, MR is registered.
RTC li ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ಮೂಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ, column, your lord.
Column number 3 and 9, you show me tally.
Lord,
You-
page
you-
57 of the complaint, the order of the learned single judge.
ಈಗಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, if the column number 3 and 9, I have read the file. ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕಷ್ಟ.
ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು 9 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ.
Then you do all those.
Not only that, Lord, it has been bifurcated into various sites.
There is no contempt.
No.
In view of the endorsement. In view of the
Lord, it
endorsement
may be
by the.
liberty to file.
Yes, in view of the endorsement submitted along with the compliance report. Contempt stands closed. Complainant is at liberty to challenge the endorsement.
Obliged.
December 9. So, CEO Gerade.
In this case for complaint, we have complied.
Complied with.
Well, it is not yet complied, my lord, for this reason. Lord, the administrator was appointed to the temple and they have taken over the management, my lord. Now simply, my lord, this annexure R1 has been given and they have taken my signature. The manner in which, my lord, they have taken over the temple by making inventory and merger, my lord, they should have handed over everything, my lord. That has not been done. They simply my lord, taken signature and my lord produced it before.
No, no, he has signed, we have
Do your own
handed over
mother,
the signature.
You do your own mother, sir, and keep it record and serve the copy to them.
My lord,
Parents, the matter.
the executive officer, my lord, has not done this exercise, my lord. They should have done it, my lord, in all fairness, because they have taken through a merger. We don't know, my lord, what happened after 4 or 5 years. My lord, this administrator was appointed in the year 2015. And this order, my lord, they have not given effect. And now, my lord, after the belated stage, they are in this way, my lord, they have given effect.
Contempt, we cannot go in detail about
But
how
my lord,
you are.
my lord,
given
the order says, my lord, it has to be, my lord, kindly see the page 37.
particular.
And so, forthwith, this is the direction, my lord. Only letter has been given, my lord, they have taken signature, that's all, my lord. They should have, my lord, only that.
We
in
have
compliance.
handed over the management.
What more we can supervise as a court of.
My lord, it's only a symbolic, my lord, possession they have handed over, my lord. That if that, my lord, that statement is recorded, my lord, then we will make inventory and, my lord, we will proceed.
File a memo, sir, you also file a application like that. We will consider it, we will permit you to do that, or you do like this. We will record it. Senior
Then we'll-
counsel Arun Sham submits that though the respondents have filed the complaints, they have given the symbolic possession, not the actual possession.
Yes.
Complainant is, since he is already put in possession of the temple, he can do his own inventory and serve the copy to the others.
So far as this contempt is concerned, Lord, we have complied with the order. The direction is to hand over the management, we have handed over.
You can't give a letter and ask that, he said temples,
Lord,
you have
he
to
has
properly
signed the
hand over
margin.
them.
He has
And my
signed the
lord,
margin.
Valuables are there.
The complainant has signed the
artifacts are
margin
there.
and accepted
Say
the.
that
tomorrow they may say, my lord, something was there, it is not there now.
You do the inventory and serve the copy.
You file then.
And apart from this, my lord, the Tahsildar and executive officer not at appealed, my lord, even after
You-
service of
you-
notice.
Mister, you file rejoinder.
Please, my
You
lord, we'll
file rejoinder.
We'll file it.
Giant.
Yes,
Then we'll see.
great. Lord, that respondent number 4 and 5, my lord, not
Only,
appeared.
no symbolic possession is given.
There is no order for appearance, Lord.
And
But
service
notice, my lord,
of-
even after service of notice, they have not appeared. The
I am
Tahsildar and
representing them.
We are permitting you to
Please,
put your case by filing rejoinder.
please. Great.
Serial 10, Sriram Reddy.
Poor widow, struggling to get the body and Durasti.
Body and Durasti.
1 acre of land. Since 6 years, I am struggling, my lord.
Complaints ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ sir?
Even
Is
this
it
honorable
compliant?
court has imposed 25,000 rupees fine to the Tahsildar.
Tahsildar, Bangalore South.
It is complied with or not? No.
Oh, Lord,
Find out. Next week,
Lord may kindly grant the 2 weeks time.
2 weeks. 2 weeks.
And GS
But
6 2
meanwhile,
weeks time
direct
to
to
report the
conduct a survey
complaints.
at least.
They will comply with this, not
They
that.
will file the affidavit, my lord. That's, even today they are conducting the survey in the same survey number. It came to my knowledge.
They are going to submit complaints in 2 weeks. Wait for 2 weeks.
Much okay.
April 1 ಬನ್ನಿ 1/4.
Lord, it is complied and my reply affidavit is ready. I could not file it because I could not serve the copy to them as they were not available.
Learned counsel for
We'll
the
file it.
submit that the complaints has been made and seek 1 week time to file the complaints next week.
Great.
So, 19.
Yes. They are done complaint. Just to file complaint.
All complied.
Great.
Corruption of the paper. Only this one.
Here for respond number 1, my lord.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Notice has gone on.
This objection needs to be complied by the.
Mukkannappa.
Yes, my lord. I'm not filed a statement of objection. We filed respond number
Writ
2.
appeal ಗೆ ಯಾವ statement of objection ರೀ? No statement of objection in the writ appeal. We have to hear service is complete ಅಲ್ಲ sir Sitaram?
Yes.
Then we will take up, we will fix up a date and take up, we will hear it. Madam.
Date to continue.
Convenient date.
26th March.
Interim order to continue.
This will continue.
Let them come. Yeah, yes, there. Hearing thola.
And in this matter, direction is to consider the
I appear for the
representation.
complaint, my lord.
Lord, we have considered the representation and made the payment of rupees 2,18,414.
And there is an
Muralidhar,
endorsement,
is
my
it
lord.
complied?
My lord, there is an endorsement also, my lord, keeping liberty, my lord, to challenge that endorsement. This, the
Yes,
contempt petition may be
the
dropped.
order has been complied by issuing an endorsement to the complainant. Full stop. Shri Muralidhar KB is not disputing it, seeking
The sum of
permission to
rupees
challenge the endorsement.
2,18,414
Submission
has
placed
been
on
paid.
record, contempt closed, with liberty to the complainant to challenge the endorsement. If she
That's all.
so advised.
But 14, 15 and 16.
I appear for
But,
respondents
writ of
one
appeals
to
are
four,
against
my
the
lord.
order of the learned single judge, not common order. Would your lordship connect them, my lord? 15 and 16 have to be connected with 14.
They are all together posted, sir.
And notice.
14, 15, 16, we are taking 404 days of delays there.
Yes, all of them have to
Madam.
be connected together. Notices are awaited, madam. Notices are awaited date.
My lord, I have taken notice for respondents 1 to 4.
1 to 4.
For
Await
others, my
notice
lord,
14 to 16. Or the.
for
senior
others,
counsel
notice is
the-
awaited.
Yes. Await notice of R5 to 12.
In all the 3 minutes. Only submission, can there be a date, my lord? Because other, unless there is a date, my lord, compliance will not be complete by the.
Senior guideline, what date will ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ. Date will be given, sir.
Very,
ಕೊಡಮ್ಮ.
some date will actually. Great.
5th April, sir.
Great.
My lords, appearing for the state in this, my lords. Last date of hearing, my lords had directed us to file some bullet points for disposing the matter. I have shared the copy with the petition.
received the copy.
Court of.
Yes, like road one.
My lords, this matter pertains to easing of traffic on the Ballari Road. I have placed on record.
Island, pedestrian island.
Yes. Lordship, in that
Why it was.
points for consideration, minor correction has to be made, Your Lord. IA number 1 of 23 days.
You rectify that mistake, sir.
24 ಅಂತ ಆಗಿದೆ mistake. Just,
Yeah, 1 of 24.
or not, 23 days.
My lords, the third bullet point would be relevant.
Direction.
We have placed on record the table, my lords, by which the timings of the traffic.
Permitted. GR Mohan is permitted to rectify the IA number 1 of 23.
We'll dispose of next day.
Please,
AAG files.
I filed the bullet points.
You are filing today.
I've already placed it on.
ನಿಮ್ದು ಬುಲೆಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್ ಮೋಹನ್ ಸರ್?
Your Lordship,
ನಿಮ್ದು ಬುಲೆಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್
ಹಾಕ್ತಿದೆ.
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹಾಕಿದೆ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ IA filed it as
What is IA 1 of 23?
yes, IA 1 of 23 days.
That is for the
that
triangular
island.
island.
That island near race course.
Matter only can be disposed, my lords. That's the
Okay, as
reason my
far as-
lords asked.
Main matter is concerned, Your Lordship, may have one submission. Lord. This court, because in their points for consider what they said, there is no public interest. One clarification I want to make. They have filed in their points for consideration. There is no public interest involved. This court has specifically explained, this is a public interest matter, which very much I have to give, I have to give suggestion.
ಇವತ್ತು ಬೇಡ ಸರ್ ನಾ ಮುಂದ್ಲ ವಾರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅಂತ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅವರು ಈ ತರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Actually, what happened? Honorable Supreme Court has, they themselves gone to the Honorable Supreme Court seeking for widening of the Ballari Road because of the traffic. Then IA was filed, which was allowed in 2014. Then subsequently it has not happened.
Consider your submission about
ಮತ್ತೆ
that.
ಅಲ್ಲ
Road work is over.
ಅಲ್ಲ 21 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ 2021 ಅಲ್ಲಿ again what they did, they filed an application for clarification and modification. Supreme Court refused to interfere in this matter. So subsequently this court is monitoring from 22 onward. So question of the maintainability of the petition and other things is not, does not arise.
Point, we will hear you, sir.
Yes, because court has specifically about it's a public interest and cause is taken up.
Okay, don't worry. We will take care of.
Okay.
R1 to R4, Swami. Raise time for objection, Swami.
R12. IA 2 for Mr. Mahendra Kumar Mitra.
Yes, my lord.
Not be permitted to appear on behalf of the petitioner number 2 to 4. You will be permitted to appear as a party in person for yourself. You can't appear for others. You have filed one application.
Yes, my lord.
You make your presentation, let them stand beside and let them watch, no issue. On their behalf, you are only going to make a submission.
My lords, is it possible to appoint an advocate on behalf of petitioner number 2 to 4?
Yes, they can, no issue.
Yes.
They will grant time to engage the advocate.
They are also seeking time to file the objection.
No, my lords, actually,
Petition may be served on me, my lord.
Government advocate, please serve the copy on the government.
so we have served the copies to the all respondents, my lord.
Now they are asking, they are not served the copy. Give one set of copy, please.
Yes, my lord.
ಕೊಡಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾಪಿ, ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡಿ. ಅವರು ವಕೀಲರು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅವರು ಟೈಮ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ, ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿ, ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ತಗೋ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲವಾದ ಡೇಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆ ಡೇಟ್.
My lords, next week, my lord.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಬೇಡ, ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮಂತ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ಮಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್.
My lords, this matter is pending since from 4 years, my lord. Already the Honorable Apex Court has granted the relief, my lord.
We will take care of your petition, don't worry. Till the end of March, there is a heavy load. Matter will not be reached. That is the reason why we are asking.
Oh, please, man. Oh, please. Thank you.
First week, 14 persons are present. The petitioner number 2 to 4 seeking permission to engage the advocate. Full stop. Counsel for the respondent seek time to file the counter. First week of April, date. 4th April.
I don't have.
I appear for the petition. This matter, along with serial number 36, 37, 38, 39 can be taken together.
Lord, in all those matters, the last occasion I filed a memo along with an order passed by the senior geologist rejecting the very application.
Like
Lord,
in other cases, he has not served on us, lad. In one case, he has served.
Lord, so far as this case is concerned, we have filed memo.
Then we have also filed an application seeking amendment of the challenging.
Lord, because the amendment cannot be, Lord, I have objection. Because, Lord, this is a revisable order.
I think Malad should allow me to argue the matter, Malad.
ಇವತ್ತು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೊಳಲ್ಲ ಚಿದಾನಂದ ಅವರೇ, ನಮ್ದು 1 hour ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಡೇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಲೇಟರ್.
Malad, your lordship allow that application for the reason when the matter is pending before this court, Malad, they make available saying that my application is rejected.
Let them, you have filed the counter to the ISR.
No, I have not received the IA.
Sir, the copy. Time to file counter to IA 1/24. Counsel for the petitioner is directed to serve the copy of IA 1/24 to learned GA. Post. So they are all connected, alva.
36, 37, 38, 39, all of them
36,
together.
37, 38, 39.
Yes.
Post 36, 37, 38, 39. ಇದು ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್.
Lord, I appear for the petitioner. Huh? Oh, I'm sorry, my lord. 21 I thought was adjourned.
21, sir.
I'm in 22, my lord. I'm sorry.
Appear for the petition in this matter pertain to the roads.
Last time,
development in the
NKRMA submitted the 25 crore has been released.
Yes.
Document. We'll close the case.
Document which they have produced doesn't pertain to 110 crore which amount has been proposed to be released. I will permit to file this earlier government order in 2022 only the another government order was issued subsequently. What are the packages under which it should be provided for the 110 villages? By virtue of the- Only one tender was called on 27/2/2024. Then based on that, that is 13/5/2022.
Work has been started. I have the photograph.
My response submission.
My lord, the relief sought for may be seen, my lord, in the writ petition. Every hearing date, my learned friend is trying to improve.
One, your submission is as if like that you are arguing on behalf of a contractor.
That's exactly what I want to do.
Sorry,
submit, my lord, in this.
You can't force answers.
Work is started, work is going on, my lord.
What has
In
happened?
respect to
No,
the
no,
very
no.
issue.
Then you will come and submit that, ask the BBMT to make a payment to the contractor. Like this, no?
The work will be over.
It's a PL, your purpose is served, the money
Yes,
has
my
been
lord.
released.
Yes, paragraph 6 and 7 of the statement of objections filed by the government. My lord, may I request my lords to see the prayer sought for by the petitioner, my lord.
Memo. Shri
Kindly,
PR
look
Mohan
at the lordship
files memo,
order dated 1st July, your lordship, 2022.
full stop. You copy, please serve the copy to Mr. Ramesh and copy nodi. Please
What is
look
it?
into
What
the
is that?
memo.
Hey, though,
We'll
it's
take it
not
up in
the
the next.
subject
Yes, my
matter
lordship
of
may
the
take it
writ
up.
petition, Swami.
Kindly, 1st July 2022. They made a
Next
submission
week,
that
Aki,
the
closing
work
matter,
will be over,
closing
but
matter.
because of some reason, work could not be completed. But only the notification issued only tender, only in the subsequent to that.
My learned agrees, my lord, the work has, work has started, work has. Yes.
Please. Some date.
20th, 21st.
Okay.
Lord, I appear for the petitioner in this case. my lord. This is pertaining to the two prayers I have made. One is for deemed extension of my lease. Number two, my lord, they have issued an audit report without, my lord, giving me an opportunity to meet that. It's understood that it should be finally heard. I have only 2 points to make, my lord.
We have filed our statement, Lord. It requests to be heard.
Sir, one request, sir, DLN. I have traveling.
Yes.
ಹಿಂಗಾಗಿ 3 ದಿನ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬೇಡ ರಿಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅವಾಗ ವೀಲಿ
Next week, my lord, 13th or 14th, your lordship.
ಕೊಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸೀನಿಯರ್
14th. In the meantime, 14th. My lord, in the meantime, permit me to file bullet points so that it will be easy. Synopsis or written submission. Grateful to your lordship.
Yes, no passover, madam. You take a date.
The other respondents are there, but notice can be issued.
Some other day. Notice.
Notice to R100, you are for R3. Full stop. Notice to R1 and 2. R so and so ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕಲಿಮಲ notice to R1.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
This case, my lord. My respectful submission is, my lord, last date of hearing, my lord, that the first respondent has filed caveat and your lordship has issued notice to the other respondents. Sorry, respondents. No, my lord, insofar as, my lord, the property is subject matter of the property is concerned. My lord, the Assistant Commissioner has passed order in favor of me to return the mutation on the basis of the sale deed. And subsequent to that, Deputy Commissioner, my lord, has rejected the set aside the Assistant Commissioner order. This learned single judge has, my lord, uphold the Deputy Commissioner order. My respectful submission is now notice has been issued, matter has to be heard. In the meanwhile, my lord, parties may be directed to maintain status quo because I have sought, my lord, interim order. Let the final hearing may be taken, please. Or they may not sell because, my lord, they have no title.
What is the subject matter of the property? Land.
Land.
Already converted, you have constructed the building, you are residing in the building, that building, Mala.
If at all
Since from
residing,
after lapse of
27 years later.
arguments, my lord, I'm, my lord, insofar as argument is concerned, my lord,
27
if your
years
lordship
later.
hearing, I'll argue, my lord.
Let
Please.
the council. Sir.
Please.
27 years later, without even not condoning the delay. There's no.
I'll argue, my lord, the case. Whether condonation delay application has been filed before the Assistant Commissioner consider all these things, my lord, that I learned.
This honorable court specifically had, my lord, this kind of a delay, my lord,
Yes.
petitions are liable to be dismissed.
Then we will hear it.
We'll hear
Fix
it.
up, fix up a date.
Ask your lordship.
Please.
No interim order.
What is date on convenient date, you please give your dates.
22nd March.
22nd.
Any day, my lord, I am ready. Even today, I am
Let's
ready. Only thing is, my lord, my lords are sitting only for half a day.
Please.
So we don't want to trouble you a lot.
Dear Council President, not
Please.
police, appears for the ARPA 26.
Much.
I appear for the
The selection to
first
the post
respondent.
of
Equivalency of qualification.
qualification.
Where
Last
hearing-
occasion in the previous bench, it matter was heard, my lord, and the records were called
Also,
for.
we'll also hear this matter, you take one convenient. Put it for
Short date.
Short
Week
date,
after
19th.
Week after next month.
19.
19th will do.
Very well.
Please,
I have, my lord, may kindly note that I have got the records. I'll bring it again on 19th because there was a direction for us to get the records, my lord. We have the records. Very well, my lord. Grateful. my lord.
Lord, I appeal for the petitioner.
My lords. In fact, my lords, the
Matter
process
pertains
is
to-
already started, my lord. I think we can dispose of the matter, my lords. That,
Time bound or, my lord, early?
We'll consider what to do.
please, no, understand.
Yes, ma'am.
We leave it at that.
I beg to appeal for the petitioner in this. For the petitioner in this case, my lord. The matter is pertaining to the,
1 to 4 months.
27.
please. My lord, the writ of mandamus to
It's
consider.
a burial ground. You
Please,
put
ma'am.
along with serial number 1 date, you have put it in. That Balagur Mata,
Please, my lord.
serial number 1, 18-3.
You want some land to be allotted for burial ground. Their function.
Serial number 1.
Grateful. Great.
ಯಾವ್ದು? 18th March, huh?
ಅವತ್ತು ಅದರ ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಜೊತೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Please, my lord.
Contempt petition is filed non-compliance of the order dated 18/1/2023, my lord.
Some increment.
Learned GA takes notice to pro forma respondent, notice to A1.
ಇಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ಇದು contempt with which petition? Contempt.
One is required to get an hearing.
My lord, I appear for government, my lord.
Overlapping of.
Respondents on behalf of the advocate, the appellants.
This will require length, some at length.
Some hearing, my lord, yes.
Yes.
Convenient date, ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ we are.
Whatever he prefers.
Sir, Kanya.
First week of April, below.
First week of April.
Lord, interim order to be continued. Grateful.
But I represent. 32 I represent.
Contempt, consideration of promotion.
Promotion. Page 28 is the, my lord, the
Take
direction.
notice
issued
to
by-
pro forma respondent, notice to A1.
I appear for. Well, I have filed this.
PIL. It's very simple. You can quickly cancel of the purchase, paying without permit and PL is, PL. That is
There are so many number of autos, my lord, in a commercial purpose are using without permit, my lord. If it is, my lord, if an accident is occurred, my
For
lord.
the police authorities and RTO authorities to do, sir, what is PL is there in it.
Well, that is the direction I have received, my lord, against the police officer and the officers, my lord, because, my lord,
We
if the
cannot give
accident
any
occurred, my lord, the
PL
victim will not get any pay, any,
We cannot give any mandamus to any advocate and come and argue before us.
no.
You are asking similar relief here. No PL.
I'm seeking against the police and the RTO authorities, my lord.
We are not entertaining. Our learned advocate, Mr. What is your good name?
Kalimullah.
My lord, I appear for the government.
Bill 33.
No public interest involved. 33.
Kalimullah Sharif.
Yes, madam.
The petitioner herein claims to be a social worker striving for welfare of the drivers and owners of the auto cabs at the Bangalore district. Styling as public interest petition paragraph. This petition is filed with a prayer reading as under. Then page 13 over bracketed portion quote. Not only that, the prayer is too vague to be adverted to in the writ proceedings, comma. It could not be said that such a vague prayer contains any element of public interest. Full stop. Catching hold of the vehicles flying without permit is the task to be performed by the police and the regional transport authority,
Yes.
to be done on case-to-case basis. No general direction can be given. Therefore, the petition is dismissed. For all the efforts, it is the petition.
In this case, my lord, in this matter, my lords, we had to file our objections. Objections are ready, my lords.
Lord, I am sorry, my lord. This is the fifth occasion, my lord, matter has come.
Yes,
to allow them to submit. Please, my lord. What is this?
That's, I'm
ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ
only,
ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅವ್ರು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
that's, I'm only, my lords, stating that, my lords, objections are ready, my lords. The verifying affidavit, everything, my lords, is in transit. And we have received it now, my lords, it's with the board. My lords may have it on Monday.
Lord, my request, my lord. Clear apprehension, there are more than 50 who are labor.
Women workers daily wages, my
Lord,
lords, there is
that
a,
you please.
my lords, I will answer to it, my lords, those unit is shut from
Objection
me.
is filed or are we going to?
I'm going to file it, my lords, I'm going to
Lord,
file it.
make one submission, my lord.
Monday, my lords.
I am not relying, my lord, anything of my own. I am relying on,
Tuesday.
no, my lord, I am relying their own records, my lord.
Grateful.
Let
I'll
us,
show, my lord, I'll point out, my lord.
let them file.
My lord, 60 women daily wages, my lord, since 2 months. Without notice, they have withdrawn my consent, my lord.
But within 3 days, nothing will going to.
Lord, last time I made a submission, my lord, this is very urgent, my lord, 60 women. Monday, Monday, my lord.
Tuesday. Monday ಬೇಡ ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Tuesday.
Wednesday, my lord, Wednesday.
Wednesday, okay.
Please,
13th.
this matter. Served as a copy, but.
Environmental compensation.
Yeah.
File the objection.
They have not only challenged environmental compensation, they have not challenged the, my lords may look at the prayer. Environmental compensation has not been
Yeah, but
challenged.
the other side is not there. Are you filing counter?
Yes, I'll file counter.
Filed, already filed?
Yeah, just got.
None appears for the petitioner.
Notice may
Mahesh
have to be,
Chaudhary. Huh?
notice issue. It's
You
there,
have to
it's there.
direct notice to you.
No, it's there, it's there.
Notice has not gone.
It's gone, it's gone.
GA, so Mahendra, SS Mahendra, GA takes notice to R2. Shri Mahesh Chaudhary takes notice to R1. Counter by. Put it, none appears for the petitioner. Since the petitioner is not there, give the long date.
That's April minutes. April,
April.
after vacation. Reopening, after vacation.
Put up a long date, second week of April.
Kindly, serial number 40, kindly pass over the matter. What, 40, sir? Kindly pass over the matter.
No pass over, Mr.
Great.
Let this matter, connected matter, my lord, is coming on 28. It may be
28.
taken up along with my lord, writ petition, my lord. 2023 of 2024 is coming at 28.
Okay. Shri Chidanandaya submits that the connected writ petition 2023 of 24 is posted on 28/3. Post this mat along with on 28. Stand over.
The petitioner, my lords. My lords, on the last date, we had undertaken.
ILMS.
Please, my lords, ILMS, the matter.
I made a submission on last occasion. Similar prayer was made before the Honorable Apex Court in the pending.
That's the.
Please, my lord. And subsequently, in view of our redressal here, it was withdrawn as well. In fact, when the matters came up day before yesterday, before the Honorable Supreme Court, it was recorded in the order.
Lord, since the matter is seized by the Apex Court, Lord, considering this prayer.
But if I may just be permitted to place the orders of the Honorable Supreme Court, my lords, it's not uploaded yet. 2 days' time, my lords, I will place it on.
Thursday, next Thursday.
Please, my lord. I'm grateful.
My lord, I appear for the petition, my lord. This matter, my lord, where annexure A challenge.
Well,
herein, my lord, the
connected
petition-
KRS dam,
KRS.
yeah, you
This is-
consulted
my lord,
others.
once again, this one, this court directed, my lord, with regard to the quarrying activities, my lord, this is the crushing activities. We don't use.
We
my
have
lord,
already heard,
Yeah,
sir.
in
We
fact,
post
like-
along with, we'll
no,
come all the
subsequent-
bunch.
my lord, that's right. Subsequently, two more matters came, my lord, very same bench, my lord, rejected the contention of my friend, my lord, saying
No,
that. That's why, I'm sorry, it's correct. I'll
Not
produce the copy of the order, my lord, wherein the deemed the conversion under 95(9), my friend raised an objection saying that is covered by that. This court, my lord, the very same bench, my lord, said that is applicable only for quarrying activities. It is a crushing.
Quarrying and allied activities.
Allied
that's
activities.
what
Allied-
we have
What
to
the
take
order
take
is.
all.
My lord, allied activities, my lord, this is, my lord,
He's saying that-
standalone, my lord, crushing activities, my lord, it's 12 kilometers away.
Ah, that
The
committee.
committee is examining.
Yes, my
My
lord.
lord, in fact, that yesterday I withdrew application because of this.
So together we'll take up, not this.
My lord, may I submit, my lord, if my learned friend raises the objection, my lord, it can be posted before one of the bench who was there, my lord. Subsequently, it was clarified, my lord.
No.
His lordship Justice Dixit is there, my lord, and I pray, my lord, my learned friend has been raising that, my lord. Subsequently, it was clarified, my lord.
No, we dealt with yesterday the matter where
Yes.
the committee order is passed. You go through that
My
order.
lord, we are, my lord,
You can also go before the committee.
more than 30 people are working, my lord. They are.
You can also go before the committee.
My lord,
We have yesterday said
My
it.
lord, committee is concerned, my lord, that's only with regard to the quarrying activities, my lord.
So that is the.
And I must point out, my lord, yesterday my learned friend said, my lord, within a 1 month it will be stopped. Yesterday, all the newspaper,
You bring with
the
it order of yesterday.
trial blast, my lord, is stopped, my lord.
You bring with the order yesterday passed.
Clarified order produce, sir. You produce that clarification.
come.
Please, my lord.
Huh? We'll take. What is the other connected name?
Other, my lord, we sought for this also, it is, my lord, it depends on this, my lord, taken up together. That's where we sought for deemed extension of the license which has been granted by virtue of amendment to the stone crushers.
Usually we'll let the GA text notice for the
Yes.
response. GA text notice for the response.
So it doesn't.
Date ಕೂಡ counter ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? Seek time to file counter.
Please.
Lordship, this matter is regarding deemed extension under order, rule
Yes,
8A1.
yes. Deemed lease 30 years, annexure J.
Yes, yes, Your Lordship.
GA
well,
text notice. Seek time to file counter.
Yes.
Date ಕೂಡ same order ಅದೇ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
obliged, Your Lordship.
For petitioner.
This rate PL, that's all. Show one photograph. Filed a here, that in between the tank, they are farming the road. They are desilting the tank. Now they filed the PL that this is the road they are, not this is not the road. So remove the silting, they made a ramp. This is the tank. Now they filed the PL on the ramp. This is mistaken. It's a ramp, go to the lorry ingress and egress. Doing diesel.
Not the way.
This is not the, it is not the way.
Stops here.
It is stop, ramp, because here lorries and everything. Yeah, they will carry the,
This is what like.
this is actually, this is the lake. Lake, they are for getting the water stored, they are desilting, remove the silt.
It is not removal of desilt as your lordships are pointing out.
What
Kindly
your
see-
photo, what the photo
the
you have
photo-
produced
for-
is showing
for-
the same, sir.
For removal of desilt, it is not necessary to form a complete road throughout the lake. If roads are formed at the ends of the, both the corners, it's sufficient to desilt. On the other hand, I'll point out your lordships, as per section 5 of the Tank Conservation and Development Act, it is the, even to desilt the tank, it is the duty of the authority which has been appointed as constituted as per section 3 of the act, and that authority has to desilt the tank with the assistance of the local authority.
Don't argue all those things, you only argue on the middle of the road, show the road.
That is, they are forming the road, that is the.
According to the photograph you are shown, there is no such kind of formation.
Your lordship, a complaint is filed by the engineer of the minor irrigation department to the police station. And also I'm pointing out that the private parties are forming the road and an FIR is registered as against those respondents. And thereafter, the panchayat has taken a call on the complaint made by the
Notice and make a
villagers.
statement, madam.
Yes.
And AGA takes notice to the state and seek time to make the statement regarding formation of the road on the middle of the day. What is it?
Your Lordship, for private parties notice.
First, let them make a statement, then we'll see.
Much okay.
Madam,
Serial number 47, similar, serial number 47 is similar to 43, 44, but the difference being, my lords,
20 kilometers.
is beyond 20 kilometers.
Yeah.
So it goes contrary to the order.
Read it.
Oops. I'm sorry. My lords, this is similar to 43 and 44, but the difference being, this
Yeah.
crusher is beyond the 20 kilometers radius fixed by this code. So then, my lords, it couldn't have been stopped. In fact, my lords, we have all the documents given by the department itself that it is beyond 20 kilometers. And it's a crushing unit, my lords. And the,
Also we are examining. That matter.
beyond 20 kilometers, there is no order is not applicable.
yes, my lords, despite that, they passed.
No, my instructions are not, they are measuring from the center of the dam. Lord, it is from the dam,
No, my lords,
from the edge of the dam also, it should be within,
my lords,
if
we
it
had
is
that,
within 20 kilometers, then it is not permitted.
my lords, we had that clarified with the department, my lords. Department has issued a letter. How do you calculate from 20 kilometers will be from the center point of the dam? That clarificatory letter of the department, my lords, we are producing it along with a memo. They themselves say for purpose
I'll
of,
take notice and I'll find that.
Then GA takes notice to the respondents.
they,
Secondary model.
my lords, crusher is shut, my lords, though, and most interesting, my lords, one more aspect could I just point out, most interesting is, my lords, we are a crushing unit. The building stone we get, my
Maybe
lords,
they will be responding to your case.
could it be by Tuesday, my lords? Because the documents are very clear. Their own documents say we are at 20.08.
Sir, there is no so much of urgency for a stone quarry. We will be,
Crusher,
there
my
are
lords.
several priority them, Mr. Chota.
Short date,
File your
my
count
lords.
within 2
Crusher
weeks.
unit is shut down, my
In
lords.
2 weeks, you'll file your count.
2 weeks.
And the interesting, my lords, the quarry is running. The quarry, my lords, who supply the building stone to me is running, my lords. I crushing it, making it M sand, I'm shut. Though both of us are beyond 20.
You are running, the quarry is running.
I'm sorry, no. It's a different quarry, my lords. They're supplying the building
That
stone
is the,
to us.
that is the problem. That's the reason why everything has to
We'll consider.
require a
Let the-
comprehensive
let the
consideration.
counter be.
Someday. Because I-
But sir, they will give it. 18/4 ಗಿದೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ connected.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ my lords.
Then you give it this month end, madam.
This month. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ my lords. We are beyond 20 kilometers is what their documents itself show my lords. So it is.
28, 29.
Please. Deeply obliged.
The appeals filed by the HMT Limited. Now
Arbitration.
order sought section 34 is dispute, this is the 37 petitions, it required consideration. ಇವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಸರ್, ಇನ್ನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಟಿಸ್.
Notice awarding, my lord, I am appearing, my lord,
Narayan Bhatt is there, you are appearing for all, sir.
my lord, in some cases, my lord, the parties are no more.
Now here, three, in serial number 48.1, respondent is dead, 48.2, respondent is dead. You have to take.
Yes.
What Sri Sanat Kumar Shetty.
My lord, may I just
counsel for
make
the
some, a few submissions. my lord.
In 48.1 and 2, seeks time to take steps in respect of deceased respondent.
My lord, may I make one submission, my lord? This matter, my lord, at the interim stage went up to the Honorable Supreme Court. My lord, the Honorable Appeals Court said to pay
Them comply that, let them take the, this one.
Yes.
My lord, what has happened is, this is lying, my lord, from one court or the other for the last, ever since 1999. And my lord, the parties are
75% has been deposited, my lord. They have.
70%, 75%, my lord,
We
has
will
been,
take it up, let the respondent,
Yes.
alert of the respondent come, we will take it up together.
my lord, what has happened is,
Date put.
So 50 is what? 50?
49. 49.
Only 3 matters.
Only 3 matters.
Make out, make it.
49.
Follow.
Okay.
appearing for the state, my lord. It's a state
Which one?
appeal. And a memo for disposal has
49.
been filed by the respondent herein. Now, as per the order of the learned single judge, we have issued the order. And as per that, that has been annexed in the memo filed by the respondent.
That is
saying that
remuneration
nothing's
to the library staff na.
Please, my lord.
And we
Yeah,
will
big,
consider it later.
Because they are honorary
Now we
supervisors.
are retiring from the dais, you don't disturb us. Date kodi. Give the date.
for time, my lord.
Take date, whatever date.
ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. Serial 50 date ಕೊಡಿಯಪ್ಪ, council for the appellant check time.
Almost board is over, only 3 meters are left.
51.
53. Number 51. My lords,
53
I
what
appear
will-
for the respondent. My lords, on the last occasion, your lordships by order dated 27th of February directed the petition appellant, who is the tenant, to deposit arrears of rent. 2 times it has come up. My lords, my only grievance is still running. Execution proceedings are filed. No, he has not deposited, my lords. Let him produce the proof of deposit.
Next week.
Next
My
week.
lords, date may be fixed, my lords, because,
Yes, date will be given.
because my only grievance is I am the owner and I am seeking remedy.
Next week,
Please,
ಬರುತ್ತೆ,
please.
we will take it up.
I'm grateful.
In
Mr. Joshua,
53,
please.
in 53, my lord was pleased to grant an order in a similar connected matter. So the
Monday.
same order, my lord.
Monday.
We will take it up on Monday and do it. 54 date kodi. 53, you please give it on Monday, sir. We will call then Monday. Take it up on.
Tuesday, my lord, it's okay.
My lord, in
Tuesday, okay. Give it
54,
Tuesday, madam, Tuesday.
in 54, I appear only for respond number 3, my lord.
Okay.
BN Prakash may be directed to accept notice for R2. He is the standing counsel.
PM Prakash for R2.
R2, my lord.
ಈ BM Prakash ಅವ್ರು ತಗೋತಾರ, easy take
ತಗೋತಾರೆ,
notice.
KRC ಗೆ ಅವರೇ ತಗೋತಾರೆ.
54 ಅಲ್ಲಿ madam. So BM Prakash take notice to R2, office to show his name and remove Suman Nagan.
ಇಲ್ಲ, I appear only for R3, Sumana Nagan.
Okay, done.